Hi, this is Johnny I with Operation Barbecue Relief. In celebrating America's 250th birthday, I'm going to show you a recipe today that comes from the South. It's Southern pulled pork sliders, and I think you're going to love it. You can prepare it out on your gas flat top. So to get started, we're going to place the pork right on your flat top. We're going to season with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Then we're going to take some shaved white onion and we're going to place that right in with the pork. So what you're going to do is you're going to heat this up and toss it. The onions are going to wilt and get some great flavor in with the pork. Before we remove the pork, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of barbecue spice. Toss that up, and now we're ready to remove it from the flat top. Okay, then we're going to take our pork and we're going to pile it onto the bottom of the slider buns. Pile it nice and high. Next, we'll drizzle a little bit of barbecue sauce over the pork. Top the sandwich with a little bit of coleslaw. Then place the slider bun tops on top of that. Then for a really cool effect, we're going to place a pickle slice on top of each slider bun. Hold it all together with a skewer. And there you have it. Southern style pulled pork sliders. Enjoy.